how to fix iPhone selfie photo flipping issues. So all you have to do is, since this feature, like for example, you just bought your camera, your iPhone here. Now let's say you want to put it on your front cam here, right? Now if you take a picture on that, it will actually look like this, right? So commonly it is on mirror type. Now if you do not want it to be set on mirror type, then what you want to do here is to go to your settings here. Now go to settings and scroll down up until you see your camera options there. Tap on camera here and tap on mirror front camera. Now actually it's turned on, that's why if you take a picture of that, it's in the same sides, right? Now if you turn off your camera here, and let's go to camera here, say take a picture of that, as you can see it is flipped directly now. Now if you just want to manually flip it, let's say this picture here, you want to flip this, then on the bottom part you'll see edit options there, tap on that, and then on below is you will see a lot of options, right? You will see this square like option here and it will look like this. Now what I want you to do next is to focus on the upper left most part. You will see this triangle here. Now if you tap on that, you have flipped the photo. And basically that is how you fix iPhone selfie photo flipping issue, and that is all for today. If this video helped you, please give us some thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel to show your support. Thank you for watching.